welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra. We'll continue with our Yoga Beginner's Guide, today learning Warrior 2, or in Sanskrit, Virabhadrasana 2. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Start with the feet a little bit wider than hip-width apart. Place the hands onto the hips. Look down at both feet. Turn the right foot towards the top of your mat, so the right toes are moving towards the top of your mat, and the left foot is turned in at a 45-degree angle. Press back through the left foot so you're grounding deeply into the whole foot, and the right heel is in line with the inside of the left foot. Start to bend into the right knee. And as you bend into the right knee, you might need to walk the right foot slightly forward if you notice that your right knee is moving forward of the right toes. If that's happening, make your stance a little bit wider and stack the knee on top of the ankle. Now, a tendency here is to have the forward knee, cave in or to push out. So that knee is moving directly in the midline of the toes. Now engage the inner thighs. So to do that, you pull the feet together without actually moving them. So the best description I find is imagine that you have a block in between the legs and you're squeezing that imaginary block. So you start to feel this drawing towards one another and up. Good. Inhale, carry the arms parallel to the mat. So now the right arm's going forward, left arm's going back. I like to look back at that back arm to make sure that it's in line with the forward arm, because sometimes it can start going back or it's forward. It's just kind of wonky. So making sure that the arms are parallel to the mat. Now notice the shoulders. Soften the shoulders out and down away from the ears. And the shoulders are stacked on top of the hips. And now you have this lengthening in the spine, crown of the head moving up towards the ceiling. The upper body is lengthening up as you ground deeply into the legs. The feet are grounding into the mat. Gaze looks over the right fingertips. And the sit bones, so notice the glutes. Another tendency here is to kick the sit bones out. So you want to have a small drawing down of the pelvis. Breathing deeply. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Turn the right toes back towards the side of your mat. Left foot follows. Let's go to the opposite side so you can feel it on the other side. Turn the left toes towards now the front of your mat. It was the back. The right toes are pointed in at a 45-degree angle. Start to drop down into that left knee, feeling the foundations of the feet just like we did on the opposite side. Left heel is pointing towards the inside of the right foot. Press back through the outer edge of the right foot. Stacking the left knee on top of the left ankle. Arms are parallel to the mat. This time, left arms forward, right arms back. Soften the shoulders. Crown of the head lengthening up towards the ceiling. The shoulders and the hips are in one line. And then once you feel the foundation, always come back to your deep, full breath. Exhale, windmill the arms, ground the palms onto the mat. Step the left foot back to meet the right. Exhale, release the knees, untuck your toes. So that was Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. I hope that description helped you. If you have any comments, leave it below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next video.